Hello my good friends, welcome back to my channel. Shy here, and today we are going to do an unboxing of iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this is the SIM card. So it comes with a new SIM card. And look at that. Ooh, 3 cameras. With a charger. And a headset. So it says designed by Apple in California. And it says hello. So this is the manual. iPhone sticker. And this is a pin. And there we go. This is the mobile. It's a brand new. So I'm really looking forward to use these 3 cameras here. Cool. And what it says on the box, it says it's 256 gigabytes, and it says iPhone 11 Pro Max, AirPods with lightning connector, USB, blah 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 blah. And that's it. So we'll try to put it on. And yep. Hola. So I need to find English. Australia. Yep. And I think that's it. I need to set up this mobile now. And thank you for watching. I hope you had fun. Bye.